Today we are making dumplings from scratch. You can pan fry or boil them. Starting with the dough, add 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Then gradually add a little more than 3/4 cup of water. This ensures all of the flour gets combined with none stuck to the bottom. Make sure to stir in one direction so the dough doesn't clump up. Once all of the flour and water are combined, start to knead with your hands. It should easily come together to form a dough. Cover and prove for at least 1 hour. For the filling, I'm using ½ pound of chives, fresh cut from my garden. Don't forget to take out the dry leaves, wash, and dry. Then mince and transfer to a large bowl. Next, add 1 pound of ground pork. I actually transferred the filling to a bigger bowl because the original bowl was too small. Next, add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of 5-spice, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix that until you see small chunks of ground pork. To finish the filling, grate about half a ginger. And add about 1 tablespoon of salt. Combine. For the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a splash of oil. After the dough is proofed, sprinkle the surface with flour and knead the dough until it becomes smooth. Transfer the dough to the board and flatten it out so it's easier to cut. Cut it into 4 horizontal pieces so it's easier to roll out. Roll each piece until it's about 1 inch in diameter, and cut it into 1-inch pieces as well. Flatten each piece and roll into a circle. You can do the professional way, or you can just roll it out with 2 hands. Add about 1 tablespoon of filling to each dumpling and form into the dumpling shape by folding and pinching the middle and then squeezing the sides with your hands. I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to cook it. First is boiled. Turn on high heat and boil about half a pot of water. Once it's boiled, gently add in the dumplings. I put the dumplings on the spoon first and then put it into the water. Cover and wait until boiled again. Once boiled, add 1/4 cup of water to cool down the water. Gently mix by going from the sides to stop the dumplings from sticking to the pot. Then repeat the process of boiling, adding water, and mixing. After the water boils one more time, scoop the dumplings out. Don't forget to turn off the heat. Boiled dumplings are ready. It has a nice soft texture on the outside. For pan-fried dumplings, turn the heat to medium and add a sprinkle of oil to a pan. Place the dumplings on their flat side. Cover and fry for about 2 minutes on each side or until both sides are golden. Then add water until the bottom of the pan is thinly covered, and fry until the water is fully evaporated. Turn the heat off and transfer the pot stickers to the serving plate. Pan-fried dumplings are done.